So excited you decided to click on this video because I'm going to be trying on the new company Temu's clothes so that you can see what I ordered and how it fits. I would also like to thank Temu for sponsoring today's video. If that's something you're interested in, then just keep watching. So if you guys are new here, Temu is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in multiple categories such as fashion, jewelry, home decor, pet supplies, and so much more. They offer top quality products at an ultra affordable price so everyone can enjoy the conveniences and comforts of life. If you guys want to learn more, you can always go to temu.com and check out the site yourself. But my favorite way to shop is actually from the app. So I would definitely encourage you to download the app. It is super easy to navigate, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So when you open the app, down at the bottom, you will find your categories and you can page through, find what you like. You guys, not only are the prices insane, but the items that you have to choose from, there's literally something for everybody. So I also love that because not only is it cheap, affordable, you can find so many different things, but the shipping is also super quick and easy as well. My items usually only take a week or two to get to me, so I can definitely appreciate that as well. So this is definitely outside of my comfort zone. I am definitely not used to trying on clothes and, doing a try on haul. So you guys will have to let me know down in the comments what you think. If you like this type of video, like I said, it's definitely out of my comfort zone. So I'm just going to start by unboxing each item. And then once I unbox it, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I picked out on the website. And then as you see here, what it looks like in person and on my body. So again, I'm not a model. This is super weird for me. I didn't know if I was doing it right or if I was showing the clothes right. But you never know until you try. Now this jacket, you guys. As always, when you're shopping online, you're not really too sure what you're going to get, but it's super thick, comfy, and cozy. This shirt was absolutely stunning. It is super duper soft. And I also picked up these cheetah print shoes. If you guys can tell, I absolutely love cheetah print. So both of these items are right up my alley, and I love the fit. Definitely true to size. The shoes are super comfy as well, and I was definitely pleased with this purchase. The next clothes that I picked up was this little sleep outfit. Now, this was just a little too revealing for me to show, but I can tell you it looks exactly like the picture and it's super soft. Now, this shirt, I love it so much. I thought it was right up my alley. I always wear a bun on top of my head, and some days I definitely feel like this saying. So I paired this with a pair of jeans. Now, I thought that I had grabbed the black shirt. There's several different colors. However, I must have chose the blue one, not even paying attention. But I thought that it looked super cute with a pair of jeans and my Adidas shoes. The next item I grabbed were these black jeans. Now, I usually don't like to shop for jeans online just because I'm definitely a weird shape, and because I'm so short, jeans always fit me really weird. But I'm just going to show you guys the best way to find really good items on Temu. So when you find an item you like, if you scroll down underneath the picture, you're going to find the reviews, and you're also going to find if it fits true to size or if it's a little bit big or small, and that's how you tell how to either get the right size or to size up or down. The next item I grabbed was this cheetah print shirt. It's the exact same one as the pink one, just a different color. So I thought that it paired really well with the black jeans. And then I also picked up this bra, and I also picked it up in black and white. And I was a little bit nervous to show you guys this just because, again, it's a little bit revealing. but thanks to ketones, I feel really good physically, and I figured that you guys had to see it on because it's so super cute. And like I said, I also grabbed the white one as well. The next item I grabbed were these super cute leggings. Now, if you guys know me, then you know that I absolutely love black leggings, and I thought that the little design on the side was so super cute. And when I got them, again, I'm less than 5 foot tall, you guys, so pants really do fit me weird. And these are a little bit longer, so they probably are for like a taller person. However, I did go with the size medium. I should have went with the small, so these definitely run true to size, so keep that in mind if you purchase these. Next was this pink sweatsuit, and I love loungewear. I work from my home, so anytime I can get really comfy, cute clothes, I'm all for it. And then I also picked up these boots as well. Now, these are not Uggs, however, for the price, I feel like they are such an amazing replica. So you will have to let me know down in the comments. I know not everybody can afford Uggs, so I always love to review things that are affordable, that are pretty close to the high-end version. Now, I am less than 5 foot tall. I'm about 4'11", and I am 135 pounds. I picked up this size small, and it was absolutely perfect for me. But as you can tell, I got a bit of junk in the trunk, so I always keep that in mind when shopping for clothes. The last clothing item that I picked up were these super cute boots. Now, I absolutely love pink. If you couldn't tell, I should say. I love pink, and I have many different variations of pink. So I thought that these boots would be absolutely stunning with a bunch of the different clothes that I have. Last but most certainly not least is this absolutely gorgeous, perfectly imperfect shirt. It is white with black lettering, and it's one of my favorites to be paired with the black leggings and my white Nikes. I absolutely love this outfit. It also looks super cute with the jeans. I also paired this with the cheetah print shoes as well. You're going to see that here in just a minute. And there's just so many different options that you could do with this shirt. I've worn it so many times already since I've gotten it, and again, it's just my favorite item that I picked up from this haul. So let me know in the comments which clothing item was your favorite. I want to thank you guys for joining me. Again, this was totally outside of my comfort zone, but I had so much fun. With that being said, I have a 30% off coupon for new users. If you click the link down in the description box below, type in part 597 at checkout to save, especially for my viewers. Again, I want to thank Temu for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys need any Chocateur or ketone info, feel free to text my number so that I can get that to you. Again, thanks for hanging with me. If nobody has told you today, you're absolutely stunning, you're worthy, you're gorgeous, and you can literally do anything you set your mind to. Until next time, I love y'all so much. Bye! Check out the videos that are popping up here to your left while you're waiting on my next upload, or join the DIY fam here to your right.